Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This morning, I want to talk to you about protecting your kids. Their safety is non-negotiable. Shield them. Yeah, shield your kids from harm. Here where a lot of the harms come from. Online, offline, and in their heart. Bullyism, predators, and toxic influence lurks everywhere. Stay vigilant. Teach them boundaries. Monitor their world. And always listen. Let me say that again. Always listen to your kids. You are their first line of defense. Guard their innocence. Empower their voice. Safeguard their future. Stay alert. Stay involved. Their safety is your legacy. And as I said this morning, protect your kids. Their safety is non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Have a good day.